I have this single cable, the SATA cable from the hard drive. Now that is a clicky input. That's it. Nothing exploded, everything is intact, everything is good. This SATA cable from my RGB hub, plug into this power connector. How can I organize these more? I'm gonna unplug this SATA cable. Holy Jesus. The force that you need to apply to rip some of these cables apart. Tuck these in like that. Plugging in the RGB hub from these fans into this SATA cable. Okay, slowly making sense. It's starting to happen. It's starting to become sentient.
I'm sorry, Dave.
My other SATA cable can come into play. I want to just bring it up like this. USB, I think, was on the right hand side, so I'll put that through. If you have 10 cores or more, then apparently you're supposed to use 2 CPU cables. Crap. Alright, well, my motherboard only supports 1 CPU input. Guess I don't need this cable anymore. Yup, sure don't need it. All I gotta do is unplug it, that's for sure. Good times plugging in this CPU cable, you know. Ugh, I'll miss it. If I could fucking unplug this son of a bitch, fucking bastard. Yup, I need to harness the infinite power of the universe to remove this fucking cable. Yes, it worked. Yup. PCI is going to the graphics card. There. So the CPU cable is going this way. Main power cable is going up here. PCIe cable is going through the bottom like this. Now I can bring back my SATA cable for the other RGB hub. I can figure out exactly where I want to route this remaining cable right here. And I'm bringing it across the bottom like this, and then I'm plugging in the SATA cable from the RGB hub down the right side of the case and in, and they're backwards. Nice. This is the cable from the fan hub, and I'm gonna put it through here, and it's gonna go into the motherboard. Yeah. Plugging in a cable and plugging in a cable so that your hand doesn't get in front of the camera are two completely different things. That's it. Honestly, that feels like a nasty bend. I think I'll check someone else's build and see if I can actually bend this. Fair enough, it looks like I can bend it in there, so that's what I'm gonna do. Listen up, cable. I'm gonna bend you. You're gonna listen and you're gonna cooperate. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be so aggressive with my cable. The cable is coming in for a landing. Holy shit, though. It really doesn't feel right. Yeah, Dexter doesn't think it feels right either. Because the way it is here, the force of the bend feels like it would be powerful enough to pull the cable out at random. And I don't think I want that. Maybe there's an advantage to having the cable pop out randomly when you're trying to just use your fucking computer. Please. Okay, I mean, is it plugged in or no? It's always these damn cables that don't have that nice clicky feel. They just don't feel good to plug in. Okay, if I pull a bit, it's not budging. That's pretty solid. I'd say that's plugged in. And of course, my USB-C cable decided to just pop out again while I was trying to get this one to be properly thing. I almost forgot to plug in the CPU cable. Right, technology. We got the space now a little bit better. A little bit of finesse. I just can't see, lad. I've done it. I am dying.